Hello everyone, Linus from StruSoft here. Uh, Tip of the week again, and this time we're gonna take a look at split walls from elevations in AutoCAD. So let's go to the CAD software, and yeah, here we see that we have a facade. I have one huge element here, and I would like to, divide everyone to good pieces. So first I will do the vertical split and then I will do the horizontal split. So what I do is I select my wall and here in the elevation tab we have something called split wall vertical. So what it says is, okay, decide your gap between elements. 16 works fine for me. And then it says, okay, what kind of end caps do you want to add, if any? So I would like to add this one. And yeah, then it's just to click out where you want to split. You can see here when I move around, we get these dimensions as well as an average, or not an average, but what the element will have as a mass. So you see that it's going to be almost 430 meters, and then it's going to be around 21.3 tons. So the length here is fine, but you see that the wall is over all four floors. So the tonnage will change later. So I will just zoom in here, and I have my lines that I just made as a help. So I will just click out where I want the element to be splitted. So it's just very easy here. And the last one. Then I can control. Yeah, looks pretty good. And then I just say okay, and it will redo the elements and yeah, divide them. So here we see also that we get the end caps. It's a bit big still, so we'll do the horizontal cut as well. So I will select my elements, not the not the external reference, but my elements like this here. And here we have a little bit different dialogue. So here you decide how the split gonna be. So I have selected my end caps here as default. So I just want to, make them come closer. Here we don't gonna go into detail here, but here you need to think a little bit about the gap here, because now I'm gonna have a negative gap of 60. Just 1 second. Of 60 here, which means that the both the top wall and the bottom wall here will extend in height. So here you need to be a little bit careful, but I will do it in this case. And then you can decide how do you want to split it. So we have the options to do it like a maximum wall height. We have to create one wall. So you just put like the height of the first wall, and then we just do one split. You can use your floors, or as we're gonna do, use yeah, we're gonna pick points. Just say click OK, and just do as I did before here. Do some clicks here. So what it does now is we redraw all elements, we recalculate the mass and place the lifters and the bracings. So and also apply the end caps like this. So now in just a few minutes, I went from having like a whole facade to having the proper elements that I want to have. So yeah, this is the tip of the week for this time. I hope you enjoy it and have a nice weekend, everyone.